Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best mops for timber floors, ranked by design, reliability, and performance. Whether you're maintaining hardwood, cleaning up after pets, or simply keeping your home spotless, these mops are designed to treat wooden floors gently while still delivering a deep clean. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Bona Hardwood Floor Spray Mop. Kicking off our list is the Bona Hardwood Floor Spray Mop, a product trusted by professionals and homeowners alike for decades. This all-in-one system is built specifically for wood floors and comes with a refillable cartridge filled with Bona's plant-based, pH-neutral cleaning solution. The solution dries fast, leaves no streaks, and is safe for timber finishes, which is critical if you want to avoid damaging delicate flooring. The star of the design is its ergonomic spray trigger. A light squeeze releases a fine mist right in front of the mop head, so you only use as much cleaner as you need. This not only conserves solution, but also prevents floors from getting too wet, a common problem that can warp wood. The extra-large mop head is fitted with a dual-zone microfiber pad that lifts and traps dirt, dust, and pet hair while polishing the wood surface. The pad is machine washable and can be reused hundreds of times. Users appreciate how lightweight and maneuverable the Bona mop is. The swivel head glides under furniture, and the secondary grip on the handle gives extra leverage for scrubbing sticky messes. On the flip side, some reviews note that the spray mechanism can wear down over time, and the mop's plastic frame may not feel as rugged as heavy-duty options. But as an everyday maintenance tool for hardwood, the Bona spray mop is about as easy and effective as it gets.
Number 2. O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Microfiber Spin Mop. Coming in second is the O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop, which brings a clever 2-tank bucket system to your cleaning routine. The innovation here is simple but powerful. One chamber holds clean water while the other collects dirty water. That means you never re-dip your mop into murky liquid. You're always cleaning with fresh water, which is both more hygienic and more effective on timber floors. The mop itself has a triangular microfiber head that rotates 360 degrees, letting you clean corners and edges that flat mops might miss. The handle extends to reduce back strain, and the mop head can be tossed straight into the washing machine after use. To wring it out, you just step on the bucket's foot pedal, no bending, twisting, or getting your hands dirty. Customers love how much cleaner their floors feel compared to using a single bucket system. They also praise the microfiber's ability to clean with just water, eliminating the need for chemicals. On the downside, the bucket is fairly small, so cleaning very large spaces may require refilling. Some users also report that the mop head wears out faster with heavy use. Still, for convenience and hygiene, the O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean is a fantastic choice that has earned a loyal following.
Number 3. Shark S7001 Steam Mop. At number 3 is the Shark S7001 Steam Mop, designed for people who want to sanitize their timber floors without chemicals. This mop combines heat and scrubbing power to kill up to 99.9% of household bacteria. With 3 steam settings, you can adjust the intensity depending on whether you're cleaning lightly soiled wood or tackling sticky messes in the kitchen. The mop includes 4 washable dirt grip pads. These pads not only absorb moisture, but also gently scrub the surface of the wood without scratching it. This swivel head and slim design make it easy to maneuver around furniture, and built-in LED headlights illuminate dust or dirt you might otherwise miss. Reviewers highlight how quickly the steam dries, leaving wood floors ready to walk on in minutes. They also note that the mop is lightweight and surprisingly easy to use. However, a few buyers mentioned durability concerns, especially with the scrubbing discs after months of use, and some report inconsistent seam output. Even with these caveats, the Shark S7001 is a strong pick for households that want deep cleaning and natural sanitization without resorting to harsh floor cleaners. Number 4. Bissell SpinWave Cordless Hard Floor Mop. Fourth on our list is the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Mop, which takes the effort out of scrubbing by letting 2 counter-rotating pads do the work for you.
Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 20 minutes of cordless runtime, freeing you from power cords while you glide across your timber floors. A 28-ounce tank holds cleaning solution, and an on-demand spray trigger lets you control how much liquid hits the floor. The SpinWave comes with 2 types of pads, soft ones for gentle everyday cleaning, and scrubby ones for tougher messes. Both types are machine washable, saving you from constant replacement costs. The mop is also engineered for quiet operation, which users with pets or children appreciate. Its swivel steering makes it easy to navigate around furniture, and the pads cover a large surface area, so you clean more in fewer passes. The main trade-off here is battery life. 20 minutes may not be enough for larger homes, and recharging takes time. Some customers also point out that buying extra pads and cleaning solution adds to the cost. That said, the Bissell SpinWave has a reputation for leaving wood floors streak-free and shining with minimal effort. If you want cordless convenience and scrubbing power, this mop delivers.
Number 5. JOYMOOP Microfiber Squeeze Mop and Bucket System. Rounding out our list is the JOYMOOP Microfiber Squeeze Mop, a budget-friendly yet highly effective solution. This mop comes with a tall rectangular bucket featuring a dual-chamber system. One side washes the mop head, while the other side dries it. Built-in scrapers remove dirt and hair automatically as you dip and pull, keeping the mop pad cleaner between passes. The mop head itself is flat, with a 360-degree swivel that reaches under sofas, into corners, and even along baseboards. The stainless steel telescopic handle extends up to 50 inches, making it comfortable for users of different heights. Included are 3 microfiber pads, all of which are washable and reusable. The pads are absorbent enough for spills, yet gentle enough for timber floors, leaving them streak-free. Users rave about how compact and space-saving the bucket is. It's easy to tuck away in a closet. They also appreciate not having to touch dirty mop water. Some criticisms include the bucket being a bit small for very large rooms and the wringer system taking a little practice to master. Still, for an affordable, all-in-one mop and bucket system that keeps hands dry, the JOYMOOP is a clever and practical choice. Conclusion. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best mops for timber floors. From the professional-grade Bona spray mop to the hygienic O-Cedar EasyWring spin mop, the sanitizing power of the Shark steam mop, the cordless scrubbing of the Bissell SpinWave, and the affordable JOYMOOP squeeze mop, there's a mop for every home and every budget. A good mop not only keeps your timber floors looking their best, but also helps protect them from scratches, water damage, and wear over time. The right choice depends on whether you value lightweight convenience, hygienic rinsing, natural sanitation, cordless scrubbing power, or maximum affordability. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gear reviews. And let me know in the comments which mop you'd trust most to keep your timber floor shining. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning out there!